The Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty is offering this 3/4 acre building lot in the desirable Pebblecreek subdivision just outside Mountain Home, Arkansas. It has city water, natural gas, and fiber internet. This is a wonderful lot ready for you to build in a very exclusive high-end subdivision. Let's meet Heather Hendricks and take a closer look.
Hi, I'm Heather Hendricks with the Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty with my partner John Shaw behind the camera.
Hi there.
And we are at this beautiful lot here in Pebblecreek subdivision. We're just a few minutes from city limits right now. This lot has fiber internet, we'll see here in a little bit, and you have underground electric, and you also have a 3-bedroom septic perk test done on it.
Well, Heather, these homes are right next to our lot that's for sale. These are lovely homes.
They are. Beautiful landscaping. And it looks like we're coming up on our lot right now.
All right. Can't you imagine your home in between these two beautiful homes? It would fit right in. Lovely home could fit right there.
That's right. And you could even set it back a little ways just like these are.
For sure.
And John, right here, you'll see a fire hydrant right here at the corner stake.
Oh yeah.
Easy access. We're here at the front of the property. And on the other corner of the property, you have underground electric, and you also have Next fiber internet.
Oh, wow. All right, to find out more information about this property, you can go to enjoytheozarks.com or find us on Facebook, Google, or YouTube. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye. If you'd like to find out more about this lot or arrange a time to see it, contact the Ozarks team at enjoytheozarks.com or search for the Ozarks team on any social media platform. The Ozarks team, Century 21 Lemac Realty, 1024 Highway 62B East in Mountain Home, Arkansas.